Hello friends and welcome back to the Recreation channel. So friends, today I will talk about Senao Network AC121 AIPC. So friends, Senao Network, a global leader in advanced networking and computing solution, and it's proudly announced the launch of its AIPC AC121, an ultra compact intelligent PC that combines next generation performance and AI driven intelligence and sleek space saving design tailored for modern professional enterprise and technology enthusiasts, powered by Intel Aero S processor offering 65-watt and 35-watt TDP and integrated NPU to power AI-enhanced workload, and the 14th generation Intel Core i5 14400T deliver remarkable speed with E-core reaching 3.20 GHz and P-core up to 4.50 GHz and supported by Intel USD graphics 730 for enhanced visual, and this makes the AI PC ideal for multitasking, content creation, and AI enhanced application, and is measuring just 178 into 178 into 35.178 into 31.5 mm and occupying only 0.99 liter, and the AC121 feature a compact form factor that supports both horizontal and vertical orientation, and this design ensures seamless integration into home, office, corporate environment, and edge computing setup. Despite its size, it provides expansion capabilities through the PCI generation 4 into 8 low-profile single slot, catering to user customization needs, and the memory support up to 64 GB DDR5 5600 MHz per second 2 into 32 GB SODIMM memory module, and storage configurable with dual NVMe generation for SSD M.2 2280 into 2, M.2 2280 into 1, and 2242 into 1 for flexible high-speed storage and connectivity option, including wide range of I/O port including HDMI 2.1, DP 2.0, multiple USB-A and Type-C port, RJ45 port, and DC in power jack, along with the enhanced security through a canister lock and thermal management features, including advanced cooling solution to maintain consistent performance during heavy workload. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.